so in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can do a half up heart-shaped hairstyle, which would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So something like this. So that's one of the ways I'm going to show you. Hopefully that still looks good because I did it on my wig before I put it on my hair, so hopefully it's still even. I don't know. I can't see the back of my head. Yeah, these do work better if you have someone helping you. So if you have someone who can do your hair for you, just because it's a bit hard to get to the back of your head, but you can use a mirror, like 2 mirrors or something if you want to do it yourself. But anyway, let's just get right into it.
Alright, so the first one we're going to do is this loopy heart. So what you're going to do is take a thin section closer to the back of your head, so kind of about 1 inch wide, something like that, and then a matching one on the other side. So this is going to create your little loop that you're going to loop the heart through. So you're going to want to tie those 2 strands together with a hair tie. Here you go. And then you're going to take slightly thicker sections that are closer to your face. So something like that. And then you're going to loop it through the loop. So go over the middle and thread it through the hole. And then under that side strand. And then over the same strand. And don't worry, it might look a little complicated at first, but I'm going to show you how to do it again on the other side. So you take a thicker section, again closer to your face, and then thread it through the loop in the middle, and then under the strand on the side, and then over the same strand. And I just use a clip at the bottom to hold it together so the other one didn't fall apart. And then you want to grab both loops, hold them together, and then tie them all together with a little hair tie. And then what I did is just kind of pulled the hair out a little bit just to make it more heart-shaped and a little more even. And there you go. That's the first look. Alright, and look number 2 is going to be this braided heart. So you're going to start with 2 pigtails in the back of your head, and then braid one, and then braid the other. And then what you're going to do is make a little loop. So go up towards the middle of the head and then loop it around towards the side. So this is going to be the half of your heart. And then you're going to take a bobby pin and pin it in the middle there and then on the side just to make it stay. You can use as many bobby pins as you need. And then same thing with the other braid. So up towards the middle of the head, just got caught a little hair there, up towards the middle and then loop it around. So that's going to be the other half of your heart. And you want to make sure that they're pretty close together at the top so that they're touching. And then you want to take some bobby pins and pin that side down as well. And then you're going to make the point of the heart. And I chose to take the elastic out and make the braids a little bit longer because I felt that the heart was going to be too short otherwise. So there we go. That's a nice looking heart. And then you just tie that together at the end. And that's the second look. Alright, look number 3. It's very similar to look number 2, but you're going to twist the hair instead of braiding it. So again, start off with the same 2 pigtails and then take one section and twist it out. So you want to twist it away from the middle of the head. And then bring it up and over and keep twisting so that you don't lose, so it doesn't come undone. And just hold it in place. It's a little trickier than the braid one just because it might come undone while you're working with it. So keep it tight while you're twisting. And then you want to pin that in place. So again, take a bobby pin. And you want to make sure you secure it in the middle there. And then pin it on the side as well just to make sure it holds in place. So something like that. And then I also take a bobby pin and I pin it at the end as well to make sure that twist doesn't come undone while I do the other side. So then you want to take the other pigtail and again, same thing, twist away from the middle and then bring that twist up and over to create the second loop. So keep twisting to make sure it keeps tight and in place. And then you want the loops to touch at the top so it looks like a heart. So adjust as you need to make sure that it looks even and they're touching at the top. And so once you have that in place, you just need to take a hair elastic and then tie it at the bottom. And there you go, there's a little twisty heart.
Alright, so those are the 3 methods. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, number 1, number 2, or number 3. Personally, my favorite is the little twisty one, the one that I have in my hair right now. I like this one the best. But I'm curious to know which one's your favorite, so let me know. And that's pretty much it for this video. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!